In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your population dataset so that you can perform a stratified sample. And essentially what that means is to split up the dataset into the groups that you want to stratify the sample along, and which means that you can be able to identify the whole numbers that you'll need to generate in your random integer generator. So here's a spreadsheet with 30 records, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a sample that has 5 male and 5 female records. So you'll notice that currently the records are sort of just randomly mixed up, and essentially what you want to do is you want to sort this data set so that all the males are together and all the females are together. So that's quite easily done. You just select the entire data set by highlighting and dragging across the row column headings at the top, and then you go into the data ribbon and you just click on this filter button. And what you'll notice is the first row, which contains the variable names at the top, now has a little drop down arrow next to the on the right hand side of each of those names, and you can therefore select those and get it to sort the entire data set along that variable. So for example, we wanted to sort out male and female records, so we go into the gender column D, click on the drop down arrow, and then it doesn't actually matter which one we select here, so we're just going to say sort from A to Z. Click that, and it has sorted everything out so that the female records are first and then all the male records come after that. And then once you've done that, you can then identify the random numbers that you need to generate by just looking along the left hand side there and identifying the row numbers. So for 5 females, you need to generate 5 random numbers between and including 2 and all the way down to 17. You do that 5 times. Then once you've done that, you then do the male sample, where you're generating a random number between 18 and 31, and you do that 5 times, and you'll be done.